Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to eBay step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to eBay, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type eBay and hit enter. Locate the eBay app by Shopify in the search results. Click on the app to open its details page. Then, click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to a permissions page. Review the permissions required by the eBay app. Click on the Install App button to grant necessary access. Now, the eBay app will open a setup page. You will be prompted to log into your eBay account. Enter your eBay credentials and click Sign In. Allow Shopify to access your eBay account by clicking Allow. Here, you can customize your eBay settings. Choose the eBay account you wish to connect if you have multiple accounts. Set up your shipping settings per eBay's requirements. You can also choose which products to sync with eBay. Select your product listings from the Shopify catalog. Adjust any necessary product details for the eBay marketplace. Once configured, click on the Sync button to begin the syncing process. Wait for the products to upload to your eBay account. After syncing, you will see a confirmation message. Review your eBay account to ensure your products are listed correctly. Double-check the pricing and details of each listing. If everything looks good, you are now ready to sell on eBay through Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.